This red Volcano red nonstick stir-fry pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It has a textured ceramic nonstick surface. This means food won't easily stick. Plus, it's an 11-inch flat-bottom wok. The diameter is just right for stir-frying. It even comes with a lid. You can trust this pan for high-heat cooking. The red Volcano red nonstick stir-fry pan can handle a lot of heat. It's oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees. That's pretty impressive. Cleaning is also easy because it's dishwasher safe. Moreover, it's free of PFAS, PFOA, and PTFE. That's good for your health and peace of mind. Think of it as a reliable workhorse in your cooking settings. If you're looking for a dependable stir-fry pan, this is it. The red Volcano red nonstick stir-fry pan makes cooking simpler. It heats up well and cleans up without much effort. So, whether you're making a quick weeknight meal or something more elaborate, this pan will be your friend. It's a solid choice, and you can easily search for it online. Pros: nonstick surface, high heat cooking, oven safe to 600 degrees F, broiler safe to 600 degrees F, dishwasher safe, PFAS free, PFOA free, PTFE free, flat bottom wok, includes lid, metal utensil safe. Heats up quickly, heats evenly, easy to clean. Cons: some damage soon after receiving, cheaply made truction, some say pans started sticking. Scratches with metal utensils, loss of non-stick quality, item pick color not accurate, not suitable for induction, less ideal for heavy-duty use, maybe too pricey for some report. Chipping or peeling features: red color, volcano texture, ceramic nonstick 11-inch size, flat bottom wok, stir-fry pan. Includes lid, high heat cooking, oven, broiler safe, dishwasher safe. This 11-inch red stir-fry pan has a flat bottom and a volcano-like textured ceramic nonstick surface, making it great for high heat cooking. It comes with a lid and is safe to use in the oven and under the broiler up to 600 degrees. Cleaning is easy because it's dishwasher safe, and it's made without PFAS, PFOA, and PTFE. This red Volcano 11 inches flat bottom wok with a lid is designed for high heat cooking and has a red textured ceramic nonstick surface that is free of PFAS, PFOA, and PTFE. It's oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees F and dishwasher safe. Plus it heats quickly and evenly and is metal utensil safe. However, some customers reported receiving damaged pans, noted a cheaply made construction, experienced sticking and loss of non-stick quality, and found it scratched with metal utensils. Additionally, the color in the picture may not be accurate. It's not suitable for induction cooktops, might not be ideal for heavy-duty use, and could be considered pricey by some, with a few reports of chipping or peeling.